back to Eat Well with Lisha. If you're new here, I'm Ellisha and I'm a certified nutrition coach and your go-to girl for all things wellness, nutrition, and healthy living. So listen, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. just banned a bunch of food dyes and is coming for frozen pizza, sodas, instant noodles, basically all your childhood snacks and your broke college years. And while the internet is either losing its mind or completely ignoring it, I'm here to break down why it matters, what's happening, and how it might affect you. These new bans are about more than just color. They're about long-term health, especially for our babies. So, RFK Jr., through the Department of Health and Human Services, is pushing to completely phase out 8 synthetic food dyes by the end of 2026. Here's the list: red 3, red 40, yellow 5, yellow 6, blue 1, blue 2, green 3, citrus red 2, and an oldie but baddie, orange B. Y'all, these dyes are literally in everything. Fruit snacks, sodas, cupcakes, popsicles, even health drinks that are marketed to kids. Some of them have been linked to issues like hyperactivity, behavioral problems, and even potential cancer risks. But they're still legal here, for now. RFK's team straight up called ultra-processed foods poison. Like that's the word being used in his nutrition initiative. That includes sugary cereals, soda, candy, instant noodles, microwave popcorn, store-bought baked goods. Basically, if your meal comes in a plastic pouch with neon colors and a mascot, it's under review. The concern is all the additives: high fructose corn syrup, TBHQ, BHA/BHT, BPA, artificial sweeteners, and synthetic preservatives that mess with your hormones, metabolism, and mood. This next part is where things are getting a little spicy. He's pushing for the states to restrict SNAP benefits, aka food stamps, on sodas, candy, and ultra-processed junk. So if this moves forward, you might not even be able to buy those items with government assistance. Some folks say that's protecting public health. Others say that's a government overreach. I'm not here to tell you what to think, but I am here to tell you what's happening. Look, I know people get defensive when you start talking about banning foods. But the reality is that a lot of the stuff we eat in the United States is already banned in other countries. Red 40, banned in Europe. Potassium bromate, banned in the UK, Canada, and China. TBHQ, limited or banned in multiple countries too. So RFK isn't being dramatic. He's trying to get our food system caught up with science, especially because our kids are the main consumers of this stuff. Like, we all love a fruit roll-up moment, but not at the cost of our brain health. My take, I think it's a step in the right direction. I don't think banning everything overnight is realistic, but I do think we need more regulation around what's allowed in our food, especially if companies are using safer ingredients overseas and giving us the junk. So what can you do right now? Check ingredient labels for those dyes. Opt for foods colored with turmeric, beet juice, spirulina, etc. Make small swaps, like real fruit instead of fruit snacks, or flavored sparkling water instead of soda. And make sure you're subscribed because I'm about to start sharing clean eating swaps you'll actually like. All right, y'all, that's the tea. Let me know in the comments, do y'all support this ban? Do you have your reservations? Or is there anything on this list that you're gonna miss? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with someone who still thinks gushers are a food group. And if you want to dive a little deeper into clean eating without the confusion or guilt, check out my video on clean eating for beginners. It'll help you out a lot. I'll see you guys in the next one.